second grade friends. Welcome to Music with Mrs. Lassig. I decided that you guys were up for an extra little challenge that I wanted to give you. So our J'imagine song that we started working on, we started just working on it in English, but I let you listen to it also. It was originally done half in English, half in French. And I speak some French. I studied some French in high school and in college, and I love to learn languages. I also speak Portuguese. I lived in Brazil for a while. I speak a little bit of Chinese. I lived in Taiwan for a little bit, and I loved, and I've been loving with Mr. Saporito learning some sign language the last couple years to put in our songs. And music is its own language that can speak across any language and any culture and communicate in an extraordinary way. But I love adding different languages into that, and it just expands how much you can both express and how much you can get out of it. And it's just a great exercise for your brain, for your mouth, to learn a little bit of another language, and it's fun to sing it. So I totally have confidence that you guys can do this because you learned so well all those crazy words and we go together. So if you can make all those wacky sounds that don't even mean anything, you can also tackle these little bits of French. I have confidence in you. So here goes our song. It starts out with the English part that you know, pretty simple. There comes a moment when my heart must stand alone on this lonely path I've chosen, like a house that's not a home. So musically, it sounds like this. There comes a moment when my heart must stand alone on this lonely path I've chosen, like a house that's not a home. So go ahead and sing that with me. There comes a moment when my heart must stand alone on this lonely path I've chosen, like a house that's not a home. Great job, you guys. Now here comes our crazy part. So here comes the French. And I'm just going to give you the words and the sounds first. Mais quelquefois. Say, mais quelquefois. Just try it with me. Mais quelquefois, quand je n'ai assez. Quand je n'ai assez. So putting it all together. Mais quelquefois, quand je n'ai assez. So when you sing it, it sounds like this. Mais quelquefois, quand je n'ai assez. Try it with me. Mais quelquefois, quand je n'ai assez. Good. All right, try the next line. Que je songe. Que je songe. Que je songe à tout abandonner. À tout abandonner. So, que je songe à tout abandonner. Good. However you did, just give it a try. Que je songe à tout abandonner. So, que je songe à tout abandonner. So, mais quelquefois quand je n'ai assez, que je songe à tout abandonner. Try it again. Mais quelquefois quand je n'ai assez, que je songe à tout abandonner. You're almost there. Tu veux que je sois. Say, tu veux que je sois. Tu veux que je sois. Tu veux que je sois. And try it. Tu veux que je sois. Good. And the last part of that line is ce que je suis. Ce que je suis. Try it. Ce que je suis. So, tu veux que je sois ce que je suis. Try that line again. Tu veux que je sois ce que je suis. Good. So, from the top of that part, mais quelquefois quand je n'ai assez, que je songe à tout abandonner. Tu veux que je sois ce que je suis. And the very last part is, you're almost there. Je fonce, alors je vis. Je fonce, alors je vis. And when you sing it, it sounds like this. Je fonce, alors je vis. Try it. Je fonce, alors je vis. Good. So we're going to put it all together, all the French part. Mais quelquefois, quand je n'ai assez, que je songe à tout abandonner. Tu veux que je sois ce que je suis. Je fonce le je vis. Great job, you guys. All right, now the next part you know and is easy. So this is just where it goes into the chorus. I believe in the power that comes from a world brought together as one. I believe together we'll fly. I believe in the power of you and I. All right, so we'll do it with the music. You guys are awesome. Give it a go.